Hello guys, making an unboxing video of this iPad 7th generation 128 gigabyte. I just tore the plastic so it's going to be easier for me to open it up. But this is the 7th generation 128 gigabyte iPad from Apple. So let me take this thing out, plastic out. So here we go. Alright, what we got here is the iPad. This is a gold color. It's pretty light, very light, and very thin as well. And here got the power cable, some manuals, stickers, and this is the power adapter. So on the iPad, looks like this is the place for the keyboard, stereo sound system at the bottom, also the power connector. This is for the headset, and the microphone is over here. Headset, microphone in the middle, and also I think this is the power and some volume, I think. So this is my first Apple product, iPad. So hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video of my seventh generation iPad. Thank you.